Hey there, I'm Tyler.
Hey, I'm Jerad.
Hi there, I'm Chuck Doolin, and we're the team behind WTFx.
We're actual visual effects artists working in film and television for a company called Wolverine VFX. The reason we decided to start this channel was because one day, Chuck, Jerad, and myself, we realized we had different go-to blurs.
I use the fast blur.
Gaussian blur.
Box blur.
We started making fun of each other and teasing each other.
Tyler, what the are you doing with Gaussian blur?
Nah, you don't know what you're talking about. It's all about the box blur.
Why would you use that one? That one's dumb.
At the end of this, we just realized that none of us knew what the differences were.
We would discuss with one another why we used that blur, why we thought it was better, but really, we weren't sure.
And we didn't even know really how they worked. We just knew that there were 9 different blurs that come standard in After Effects.
And that didn't make any sense because something's either in focus or it's not.
We went on the Adobe website, and this is when we realized 2 things.
One, we realized that Adobe's website is very dry and hard to understand.
And number 2, there was plenty more people out there like us who had no idea what all the other blurs did.
We wanted to take that information and make it palatable and entertaining, but short and concise, so that it's easy to learn.
We know After Effects can get really overwhelming
Oh my God.
with all the tools and all the effects that it offers.
That's why we created this channel, to understand and help pass that information on to you.
Whether you're new to visual effects and new to After Effects, or whether you've worked in this program for over 30 years.
Come join us as we go through the effects library.
And let's find out just what the
What the
What the CC Mr. Smoothie actually does. Thank you.